Hello and welcome back to our video. This problem, we are given this equation and we're asked what is the value of a if this is true for all values of x not equal to 2 over a. This little caveat is to make sure that we're not dividing by 0, so you can basically just ignore that and continue to solve the problem. So we have 24x squared plus 25x minus 4y over ax minus 2 is equal to negative 8x minus 3 minus 53 over ax minus 2. Now, the thing we can do here is you can say, okay, this term is over ax minus 2, this term is over ax minus 2, so let's get this term in the same way. So we have negative 8x minus 3. If we multiply that by ax minus 2 over ax minus 2, then we'll have a denominator of ax minus 2, and then we'll have whatever we have on the numerator. So therefore, we'll have 24x squared plus 25x minus 4y over ax minus 2 is equal to, and we can just calculate this over here, distributing, we're going to have negative 8a x squared. Negative 8 times negative 2 is plus 16x minus 3a x minus 3 times minus 2 is plus 6. So this is going to be negative 8ax squared plus 16x minus 3ax plus 6, and then this is over ax minus 2, and then so we can do minus 53 over ax minus 2. Just skipping a step there where we're combining two things that are over ax minus 2, right? When they have the same base, you can add the numerators, right? So 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4 is equal to 1 plus 2 over 4. Same thing here. We have this over ax minus 2 minus 53 over ax minus 2. Now, how is this super complicated expression going to be able to be solved for a? Well, we don't actually have to solve this equation, thankfully. We can just say, okay, if we ignore the denominators, basically multiply everything by ax minus 2 if you want to think about it like that, we're left with 24x squared plus everything is equal to negative 8ax squared plus everything. So for this equation to be true for all values of x not equal to 2 over a, 24x squared has to be equal to negative 8ax squared. And if we cancel out the x squared, that means 24 has to be equal to negative 8a. If we divide both sides by negative 8, these cancel and we get that a is equal to 24 over negative 8, which is 3 plus the negative sign is negative 3. So therefore, the value of a must be negative 3, which is going to line up with b. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.